In today's video, we're gonna be covering what is exactly in that mortgage payment that you're gonna need to make on a monthly basis when you purchase your new home. So let's get started. Welcome to the Tim Lamb Mortgage Channel, where everything is about you, the first-time home buyer. If we're meeting for the very first time, my name is Tim Lamb and I've been a mortgage professional for the last 18 years, and my passion is educating first-time home buyers so they are confident when they go buy their first place. Please consider subscribing to the channel here because there's great education that you need to know to become a confident home buyer. So let's dive into the question of the day. So what is that number one question that you have about buying your new place? Is it around down payments? Is it around when do I make my mortgage payment? What is private mortgage insurance? Whatever that question is, put it down below in the comments and I will be happy to answer that question for you. All right, let's break down the details of what is actually included in your monthly mortgage payment. All right, sometimes this is referred to as the PITI payment or the PITI payment, some terminology and language in the mortgage space. So essentially what PI stands for is principal and interest. The T stands for property taxes, real estate taxes. The I is your homeowner's insurance or insurance on the property. So principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. And then a fifth one is your private mortgage insurance. All right, so let's dive into the details of each one of those. Principal, pretty simple. That is how much of your mortgage payment each month is gonna pay down your loan balance. The I is for interest. That is what interest has accrued on your loan since your last mortgage payments. The T is for taxes. So those are the real estate taxes that you need to pay on your property. The I is for homeowner's insurance. So you'll need to work with your insurance agent to get homeowner's insurance coverage on your new place. And then the last one, the P for private mortgage insurance, is if you have less than a 20% down payment, you may or may not need to pay that private mortgage insurance. So included in that monthly mortgage payment is your principal, your interest, your real estate taxes, your homeowner's insurance, and possibly that private mortgage insurance. So if you have additional questions about what's included in your mortgage payment, put those questions down below and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you so much for watching and happy house hunting.